This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 4500PICK14D is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 96 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.